Hello all, in this video we will observe the transverse section of ovary of hibiscus flower. This is the ovary that we are going to dissect. This is how the transverse section is to be cut. Ovary in botany, an enlarged basal section of the pistil, the female organ of the flower. It contains ovules which develop into seeds upon fertilization. Ovules are also houses to the egg cells. Ovary will mature into a fruit, either itself dry or fleshy, enclosing the seeds. Transverse section of the ovary is divided into 5 locules. Each locule ideally has 2 ovules. The center region of the ovary is known as placenta, from which the ovules derive the nutrition. Ovule, a plant structure that develops into a seed when fertilized. A mature ovule consists of the nutritive tissues covered by 1 or 2 future seed coats known as integuments. A small opening called micropyle in integuments permits the pollen tube to enter and discharge its sperm nuclei into the embryo sac. Each ovule is covered by its base to the stalk or funiculus that bears it.